Stop packing right now. If you are traveling abroad to study and you haven't done these things yet, you are setting yourself up for stress, loss of money, and serious mistakes. I'm an international student living in Texas, and today I will show you what you must do before packing to study abroad. Studying abroad is exciting, but preparation determines whether your experience is peaceful or painful. These are the things I wish someone told me before I traveled to study. Watch till the end, because the last tip can save you hundreds of dollars. And I mean it. Point number 1, confirm all your documents. And I mean all your documents, especially the one you use for your visa interview. Before clothes, your shoes or bags, your documents comes first. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months. Confirm your visa is approved and correct with your name and date and everything. Print and save your admission letter, your I-20 or your CAS, depending on the country you are going, your destination, your proof of funds, your vaccination records if your school requires it, and a passport photo or passport photos. Scan everything and store it in Google Drive or your email or on your phone, because when immigration asks for such documents, panic will not help you. And I know, first time traveling. Point number 2, research your country and city. Not every country or city works the same way. Research cost of living, the transportation system, laws, weather, and cultural norms. What is normal back home could be illegal abroad. And please, check the weather. Don't pack winter jackets for a hot state like Texas or Arizona. Point number 3, sort out accommodation. I mean it. Never arrive without a place to stay or lay your head. Know where you will sleep the first night, at least. Know how you are getting there from the airport, who is picking you up. Make arrangements. Arriving tired, confused, and homeless is not character development. It's not good at all. So please take note of that. Point number 4, set up your finances. Money stress abroad hits differently. Tell your bank you are traveling. Check international fees. Bring small amount of money or like cash on you, not too much, because you need it. Research students' bank accounts and download money apps that is going to help you for temporarily. Budget your first 2 to 3 months, because jobs don't come immediately. When you get to the state, jobs don't come immediately. Point number 5, understand your school. Know your class start date, the credit system, attendance rules, and academic honesty policies. Some schools will drop you if you miss the first week, so take note of that. Know your school. Even if your flight was delayed, they might cancel your study, so please take note of that. Point number 6, pack smart. Don't pack emotionally. Pack important stuffs, cultural wear, your shoes, power banks, and then adapters. But with adapters, this place we use different stuff, so please take note of that. Don't pack heavy stuffs like a lot of shoes and a whole lot of stuffs. There are things you can get them very cheap when you get here, so please pack smart. Point number 7, prepare mentally. And when I say it, I mean it. No one talks about this part. You will miss home. You will feel lonely. You will question your decision, whether you made the right decision or not. It will get to that point, but that's normal. Talk to family beforehand. Join student groups so that you build a good support system. You are not weak, you are a human, so definitely those things will come. Point number 8, know your immigration rules. Understand work limits, travel rules, internships, visa expiration dates, and anything that pertains with your status in the country, so that you don't fall behind. Take note of all these things, learn it from your international office. Points, the final tip is build connections. Connect with friends who are already here. So if you are going to a particular school, make sure you connect with people who are there. Let them know you are coming, so that kind of welcome, when they tell you that, bro, you are welcome and we got you, that kind of word, we got you, can really help you to stay stabilized for at least your first 2 to 3 months, because you don't want to get to a point where you don't know anyone there and it's like you want to do everything by yourself. Bro or my sister watching me, it's not going to help you, because there are some places you will go There is no bar system there. You will need people to pick you to go and even set up your bank account. You need people to pick you to go and even process your social security number and a whole lot of stuff. So please make sure you build network, you build connections. And these connections are also going to help you to be able to land internships, to be able to prepare for life after graduation. And I'm going to do a separate video explaining that. So please make sure that's why I told you that watch to the end, because the final tip is going to save you a lot. And that is building good and great connections. It is really going to help you be able to build the connections right from back home. By the time you get here, people are already helping you in terms of your accommodation, in terms of things to know, and then where you can apply for internships and other stuff, and especially people you are even doing the same program with. So please take note. If this very video helped you, I want you to like, comment, and share it with other people. And if you have not subscribed to the channel and you are new here, please consider subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so that at any point in time when I upload a new video, you will be notified and then you can watch that video. Thank you for staying tuned to the very end, and please, I want you to help me share this very video to reach others. People who are also considering studying abroad, whether in Europe, in the United States of America, or in Canada, or wherever they want to go. These are things that are going to help everyone regardless of your destination. So take note of that, and until I see you in the next video, remember that always your dream is valid. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.